up Paytm. That's been zooming on a bullish brokerage note from ICICI Securities. The brokerage house maintains its buy but has upped the target price, citing strengthening earnings visibility. Let me take it across to Mitali and find out what the brokerage note entails. Mitali?
Right, we see that the stock is buzzing after ICICI Securities has raised the target price to 1450 rupees from the earlier set target price of 1250 rupees, seeing an upside of 17% in the company, citing stronger visibility on the company's future earnings. The brokerage has maintained its positive outlook on the company, pointing to three key drivers. So let's have a look. First, Paytm is expected to continue delivering strong growth in both its payment business and also its rapidly expanding loan distribution segment. Secondly, the company's margins are improving, and ICICI notes that Paytm is earning more per transactions due to its product upgrades, a shift of more UPI volumes into the chargeable categories, cost efficiency measures, and overall better operating discipline. Also, Paytm has several additional growth drivers, including their postpaid products, its wallet business, and potential international expansion, which could further boost the revenues in the coming years for the company. So overall, ICICI says that Paytm's risk-reward profile remains attractive, supported by continued product innovation, stronger customer and merchant stickiness, and also improved free cash flows. However, the brokerage has also cautioned that the regulatory uncertainties, particularly pertaining that could impact the loan growth, remain the biggest overhang for the company as of now. But overall, the company, the brokerage ICICI Securities sees a potential positive outlook for the company ahead.
Okay, so bullish view coming there for Paytm, that stock doing okay for itself. Kunal, your take on Paytm, given that in the last 6 months itself, the stock has surged by almost 50%. How sustainable is this rally that we've seen on Paytm? What are some levels that you're spotting?
I think very sustainable. In fact, the stock can build from current levels also. It's been a very staggered move for Paytm and not a parabolic kind of a move for the stock. Because you look at the last 4 or 5 months, there was a period, I think, in the month of October, where the stock had given negative performance. It had corrected from 1350, 1300 levels thereabout to almost sub 1200 mark. And then in the month of November, you'd seen the stock moving up gradually higher. So I think the stock over the last 3-4 months has seen those rough patches or phases of correction, but it's still holding on to its longer term moving averages. The best part about many of the stocks which have trended higher and done fabulously on a YTD basis over the last, I think, 10-11 months of this calendar year, is these stocks have managed to hold on to their long-term moving averages and build on to those gains which they have established post the breakout of their longer-term moving averages. I think Paytm has been one of the stocks which has done reasonably well. So expecting the stock to move up higher further. The near-term targets which I would expect the stock to clock towards would be around 1350 to 1400 levels.
Okay, on that note, let's take a very quick break. We'll continue tracking markets on the other side.